Oh, hello guys. So we're gonna be smashing this iPhone 6, and if we get 100 likes, we'll smash a tablet too, cause we have a tablet smashed already. So we're gonna smash this iPhone 6. Hope you enjoy. If we get 100 likes, we'll smash a tablet. Okay, but it's also gonna be smashed. So please get to 100 likes. Okay, put it right here. Here's the smasher. There we go. Oh my God! What a smash! Okay, stop. I want to see all the oh my God! Oh, would you look at that? Would you look at that? Okay, let's keep going. Okay, that's a miss. That's one miss. Oh my God, that was so hard. Okay, stop. I want to see this. Oh my God. Look at these. It's cracked.
One more hit and then we turn to the back.
Yeah. So, one more hit and then we turn to the back.
Turn like this like we hit right here.
Okay. Okay, one more. Okay, let's look at it. Oh my God. Oh. Okay, turn to the back. iPhone 6, remember? Oh! My God! So bent.
Oh, miss.
Okay. Oh my God. If we get to 100 likes, we'll smash it. We'll smash the tablet. Hurry up, get it to 100 likes.
Oh, I was supposed to like this.
Oh my God.
Oh, I kind of hit it.
Ooh. Oh my God.
Oh.
Ah! Look at his screen. It's so cracked. Oh my God. This is the word.
Oh my God.
Oh, R.I.P. iPhone 6. Oh! My God.
Miss.
What? Oh!
Oh, the screen is over. Oh, I think I already broke the screen.
Okay, let's look at it. Oh my.
It came off.
Oh my God. Well, if you ever wondered what's inside an iPhone 6, here it is, people. We still gotta smash that so this can come off, and then we can see the more inside. So keep smashing it, bro.
Oh. Oh.
Oh!
Turn around.
My God. Okay, let's turn it around.
Turn around.
There's the. Oh! Get to 100 likes or more if you want.
Oh.
If you get it to 100 likes, we'll.
Oh.
Oh my God.
Oh.
Oh! People! Would you look at that? Look at all the things that's inside the iPhone 6. This feels so soft.
One more.
More!
One more, then we're done. Oh.
Miss.
Oh. Yep, there we go.
Well, let me stop on it. I want to stop on it.
Company.
Bueno, estamos quebrando esto. Un phone. Roberto los dejo. So I'm going to stop on it.
Oh, God.
There you go, people. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And remember, if you get to 200 likes or more, we'll smash the tablet. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Peace out. Like, subscribe, and comment down below if we should do the tablet. And also turn on the notifications. Bye. Peace out.